Today we are going to show you how to make cat grass. You will need a pot of your choice, cat grass seeds, potting soil, a spray bottle with water, gloves, a pair of scissors, and a plastic Ziploc bag. Place soil evenly into the pots about 3/4 full. Place a generous amount of seeds in each pot. Place more soil on top of the seeds. Evenly coat the seeds with water. Cut small holes into the bag and place the pot inside the bag. Place in a dark room until the seeds sprout, about 2 to 3 days. Then take out of the bag and put in sunlight. In 10 to 12 days, you will have cat grass. Thank you for watching.